What do you call that, chuda? Rotten heads.
In other words, rotten head.
That's English name.
I don't know how to cut.
Don't worry about it.
I don't know how to cut fish with a knife.
Really? You're doing a good job. Keep on going.
See, nice squiddies. Holy cow. And this sort of hat and
Need just 2 strokes and it's done.
Well, Nat was lucky yesterday. She didn't have to cut, split any, but she did stuffed jars. Oh,
well, I was going to, but
where's your? Is that case still in there?
but those what do you call them were there in your way.
Oh.
I'm not used to using hard.
Boy, Dan was just questioning me about me and you and the family. I told him, oh, Julie's the oldest, Nat had the youngest.
What?
I eat that fish head.
We got fish head.
When I got up, I got the fish head.
Where's your Honda parked?
Huh?
Where's your Honda parked?
Down by the school.
You want this fish then?
Yeah, we love it, Dan. Was John good and wipe off the jars?
Huh?
Was he good and wipe it off?
Well, he put it all in the thing. He said, I felt bad because they were out, so he put it in the thing for you.
Oh.
How you doing, Darren?
Yeah, did you guys go up?
Huh?
Did you guys go up the mountain?
Not lately.
You know that John Branson?
Yeah.
He's the one that made this fisher up in the street.
What is that?
Fish. Cooked fish.
Fresh fish.
Oh,
He's the one that cut it up. He always put his bones and all.
But it smashes up, you know.
Huh?
Gets soft.
Sure, it don't, you know, want that calcium.
Oh.
You know, when you're gonna make sandwiches or something, you don't smash up.
Oh.
The bones are cooked.
I seen that yesterday. I walk out there, fire burning. I hollered out, shot around out there. Somebody put the stick so far. Nice one.
Here. Ah. It's not good.
Hot.
Sorry, it's hard cutting with a knife. I'm not used to using that knife.
Oh, that's my favorite knife.
I know, but I'm used to using that vashla.
I got vashla.
When Anne's up here too, she never would use a knife. So her and I always fight over that vashla.